This was supposed to be my dream delivery day, but as soon as I walked into the bay, I spotted scratches, and when I looked up, a cracked sunroof. I'll take you through my journey from test drive to ordering to delivery and all the unexpected wins and painful lessons. And here's the thing, I still don't regret it, because with a few smart moves you can save thousands and avoid some of my headaches. Now let's get into it. It all started with a simple test drive. I walked into the showroom just wanting to experience the car. What stood out immediately? Zero pressure. The sales advisor told me upfront, take your time, think about it. You can always place your order online. No pushing, no upsells, just pure experience. And after the test drive, I was hooked. Instant acceleration, quietness, and tech that felt from the future. From test drive to order placed, it was all handled by the sales advisor. Super straightforward. But after that, a whole different phase starts, with hidden ways to save money if you know where to look. Ordering a Tesla is all online, few clicks, $350 order fee, and $10,000 deposit, done. But here's where I started noticing the financial perks Tesla offers that most dealers don't talk about. First, interest rates. Tesla partners with local banks to offer a 1.68% loan rate, which is one of, if not the, lowest for car financing in Singapore. Second, top-up incentives. In my case, Tesla matched my $4,000 top-up dollar for dollar. This varies, so always ask what incentives are available when you order. Third, COE bidding strategy. Tesla bids slightly higher than the agreed amount to improve your success rate, plus the $1 for $1 COE rebate protects you if COE prices crash. No losing money like with typical dealers. And lastly, trade-ins. If you're selling your current car, Tesla offers a no-frills trade-in process. Many people shared that the price quoted is actually honored, unlike other dealers who lowball you after inspecting your car. But after placing the order comes the longest part of the journey. After your order is placed, your delivery advisor takes over from the sales advisor and the waiting begins. This period between order and delivery is where most people get impatient, myself included. But this is the best time to prep. Research Tesla's features online so you're fully ready. Purchase any accessories you want, because once the car arrives, you'll want to enjoy it fully equipped. I'll be making a dedicated video on the top accessories I actually kept and installed, so you don't waste money like I did on impulse buys. But the real shock came when I finally stood in front of my car on delivery day. Delivery day came and I went down excited. But thankfully, I came prepared with a full checklist linked in the description. It's interactive. You can tick off items on your phone and reference photo examples so you know exactly what defects to spot. Within 15 minutes, I found scratches, micro scuffs, and a crack in my sunroof. The Tesla team tried to brush it off as normal. But I firmly pushed back, got them to document everything, and booked a workshop appointment immediately. Pro tip, always film high-res videos during your inspection from every angle. This helped me capture things I missed in person and cover myself later. You'll also want to bring along a phone holder and power bank. You'll be using your phone a lot for the app setup, inspection, and documentation, and definitely don't want it running out of battery before you're done. But the problems didn't end after delivery. After I brought the car home, within a few days, my seat started squeaking. Back to Tesla again. They disassembled the seat and put in some felt padding to reduce the rubbing of seat fixtures. Lesson learned here. Expect minor defects and fixes in the first few weeks. The sunroof was replaced free of charge, but the downtime stung. Here's the mindset I recommend. Expect some flaws and plan for at least 1 or 2 follow-up workshop visits. It's normal, especially for mass-delivered cars like Tesla. And with this mindset, I think you will be happier if you do not find any problems and more accepting if you do. But after everything was fixed, it finally clicked why people love this car so much. Once repairs were done, I took the car for my first proper drive with no defects or problems to worry about. The smooth acceleration, premium feel, effortless power really made my frustration melt away. Despite the rocky start, the drive experience won me back instantly. Would I do it again or recommend someone buy a Tesla? Yes, with but these key lessons in mind. Top up based on how urgently you need the car and ask what incentives Tesla currently offers. Use their low 1.68% interest rate. It's a rare perk in Singapore. Push back on every defect, insist on documentation. Use my delivery checklist linked below. Tick off items on your phone. Use reference photos. Take high-res videos. Be ready for a few follow-up fixes. Don't let it surprise you. Bring your own accessories like phone holders and power banks for delivery day convenience. And most importantly, learn the car inside out during the wait so you enjoy the experience fully when you finally get it. In short, Tesla is not perfect. Delivery day might not be flawless, but the drive experience, absolutely worth it. If you found this useful, grab the delivery checklist from the description, watch out for my upcoming top accessories video, and feel free to drop any question in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'll be sharing more AV content, including honest Tesla reviews, accessories, installs, and ownership experiences that actually help you make better decisions. See you out there on the roads!